Hi, I'm Mike Catalano with Real Estate Connections. We do residential property management here in Santa Clara County. We've been doing it for about 50 years in this area located in Los Gatos. And today we're going to talk about is what do we actually do as a property manager? What does a property manager do for their clients? In my opinion, the most important is to stay within the tenant laws. Help you stay within the tenant laws. There's new regulations coming in every year that you need to know about, and unless you're in this business, you may not ever hear of it. And it's quite important because California is probably the most tenant-friendly state in the United States, if not the world. So if you want to be a tenant, California is the place to be because the rights are in place for them. As a property manager, it's our job to make sure you stay within the liabilities and stay away from the liabilities as far as having tenants as a landlord. Help find good qualified tenants. This is the biggest thing when it comes to your property in general. Is the biggest communication you're going to have is between tenant and landlord. If you have a bad tenant or you have a problem tenant, the communication is going to be difficult. So it's important that you have somebody that knows how to qualify tenants. You know, the eviction rate in our company is less than 1% over the last 40 years. So we find good tenants that stay in for a good period of time and pay their rent. We keep a good accounting record of everything that goes on in the property. You know, if we pay the mortgage on the property, pay the property taxes, pay the homeowner's insurance, the HOA fees, whatever it may be, you can track this all on the property management software system that we have. So you can make sure that at the end of the year, you have a piece of paper, you can do an income statement, hand it to your accountant, and you're done. And the tracking is all complete. So it makes it a lot easier for you to track your taxes because obviously it's important that you're doing the proper write-offs as well. Help maintain the property in good condition. You know, if you don't go to the property, you don't take a look at the property, you don't field the calls from the tenants to maintain the property, when a tenant moves out, you can have some major deferred maintenance. So it's important to maintain it as well. And finally, some property managers do this. I know that we do. You can help people buy and sell income property. And now the important thing with that is that we do the sales aspect as well as the rental aspect, so we can put those together and find a good investment for people to buy in this area. If you want to know more information about this, I'd be happy to talk to you about it. My name is Mike Catalano with Real Estate Connections, residential property management company here in Los Gatos. Thank you.